How's everyone doing? I hope you're having an amazing week. I am, because I found the coolest paint shelves for my paint. So the other day I was getting a pedicure and I was trying to brainstorm how to store my paint in my shop because it was just in like a big plastic tote. You know, all these little craft paints that you buy. I just had a bucket of paint. I had boxes of paints. I got rid of all my old paint and went through all my colors and organized everything. And I was, like I said, I was getting my nails done. And I looked over and it was literally written on the wall in the salon. There they were. Nail polish shelves. You guys, these are amazing. You can get these on Amazon and I will link these ones down below because they're super cheap. They're durable. They're great for storing your craft paints. Isn't that awesome? How cool is that? Like, I finally can see what I've got. No more going to the store and, you know, buying 5 or 6 greens and forgetting to pick up red or yellow because I got sidetracked and I didn't even have a list of what I needed. So that was the first thing I wanted to show you. The second thing I wanted to show you was I have had a light problem in my shop for so long because I can never see what I'm doing. So this, check how bright this light is. I got this 4-pack of these LED lights and they just plug in. I've got this one up underneath here. Check how awesome that is. Look how bright. These are great for craft lights. You can see everything that you're doing. So I will link those down below. I just wanted to pop on here and show you my couple cool new finds. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you try them out. I'm going to link both the paint shelves and the lights down in the comments below. Let me know what you think and we'll catch you next time. Bye.